Here is BD's Killer Grid Heater Upgrade Kit. This is intended to address the issue of the bolt that has a tendency to arc and fall into cylinder number 5 or 6. The upgraded kit is going to come with a much larger bus bolt, so you can see the diameter difference there. It's going to be able to carry the load better. But also the upper bus connection is a little bit thicker metal and tinned ends for corrosion resistance. And the bus itself, as you can tell, is much larger than what the factory one is. So it's going to sit in there like this. This is an 07.5 through 12 intake manifold. So the instructions are going to have you cut this webbing out right here, because the bus is actually going to sit on the other side of it now rather than on the front side like it does from the factory. And the reason why they do that is the back side of this is threaded also. So when this that has thread locker goes onto it, high temp thread locker, it's going to go into here through the heater, and that's going to lock that into place with nothing hanging out the back. And then this thicker bus bar goes into, or bus screw goes into a blind tapped hole. So when this is inside of the manifold, there's no way for anything to fall out from the bottom. This is at the top and this will be at the bottom. So it's a much thicker bus bar that's going to carry the load much better. And everything has been addressed that can possibly arc, come loose, fall off, or have any issues. So all in all, a $200 fix for a problem that can cause catastrophic engine failure. Kit because it's an affordable solution for something that could be in a very expensive problem. There are other alternatives on the market that cost a lot more, but we like to keep things simple and efficient and cost effective.